Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 future chart. Starting off here with the S&P 500 on this Jobs Friday. Just before I get into the technicals, I must, of course, speak about the jobs number that we got earlier on this morning. It coming at around 187,000 jobs created in the month of August, and that was versus estimates of 170,000, so slightly higher than expected, but that is the third month in a row that we've had the jobs number come in under 200,000. So it is continuing this downtrend we have seen in the labour market. But more importantly, we had the unemployment rate, which spiked up to 3.8%, and the market initially rallied on that news. If we just quickly go to a 10-year, as you can see, we did fall during the trading session before rallying to finish off. So a very mixed market today, but despite the rally that we've seen in the broad market this week, we haven't really done too much positive technical accomplishments here for the S&P 500 and the other indices such as the Nasdaq especially as well. This is the uptrend we've been trading in since those March lows, and we've just back tested it as the new area of resistance, which is a typical technical move that you see, and we have been rejected on several attempts. And we're now trading near the session lows here for the S&P 500 down at 4,512. So I really wouldn't be surprised if we did see some more consolidation going into next week. It looks to me that we could potentially be forming this ABC correction pattern. This is the A to B leg where we could potentially go and have one final push lower here for this correctional phase to be complete. It was obvious that we were trading in this nice 5-wave Elliott wave structure on the way up. If I just quickly draw you these waves that we saw here, and as I just mentioned, it looks to me that we are currently in that ABC pattern where we could potentially go and retest the lows that we formed back in August. Now, if that wasn't to be the case, then of course, September is known for rallying for the first half and then giving all those gains back as we move into the second half. And it's not really until a clear break above this uptrend that we previously traded in that I would then become, perhaps bullish on the market and ready to put some money to work. So these are a few signals that I am looking out for, and we just haven't accomplished them yet in the market so far. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, the exact same as the S&P 500. We currently find ourselves trading, back testing this uptrend line that we have broken below over the past month or so. And again, we haven't had any real technical signs that this market is ready to continue its upside momentum here. So I think that the fact that we've been rejected again here for the Nasdaq100, that's 2 days in a row, I really wouldn't be surprised if we did see lower prices going into next week, where we perhaps went and tested a 50-day EMA. I just don't really feel confident enough to be putting money to work here for the Nasdaq100 just yet. Moving over to DowJones30, slightly more attractive than the other three indices. I think technically speaking, we're trading within this uptrend. We continue to create a series of higher highs and higher lows. And, the fact that we're still trading above the 50-day EMA is very encouraging. And I wouldn't be surprised if we can take out the swing highs of this week to go and retest the swing highs of this year, which sit at around 35,661. So I definitely do prefer this market compared to others. But that's going to wrap it up for this trading week, team. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you would like to join my free trading signal group, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up. It takes 10 seconds to sign up, and if you do not enjoy the service, and you can cancel at any time, it's completely free of charge to join for your first month, and there is no catches whatsoever. But thank you very much for watching today's video, and I hope you will have a wonderful weekend.